Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a unboxing video of my new fingerboard setup. So yeah, I got this from Skate618, also known as Chems. So yeah, let's get right into it. Show you guys what I ordered. This is my first good professional fingerboard. I don't know what all you guys want to call. I don't know what you guys consider a pro fingerboard is, but this is my old setup from Tiki Tuning. It was about like just under $50. I got several years ago, but yep, let's get right into it. So here we go. We got the storage case or whatever. Got the deck inside of there. Yeah, these are the new independent 32mm trucks that were made by Joycult. So yeah, I really hope I like those. I've heard a lot of good things about them. And here are the wheels, some Dude Guy F3s. So look like a pretty good shape. I don't know. I don't really have a preference quite yet, but here's the deck we got here. Chems 34mm mid-pro popsicle. My old deck is 32mm, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but a little bit bigger. Hopefully I like that. Feels really good. Solid. I love the graphic on it. It is pretty nice, but the storage box has this metal coping on it. Pretty nice. It is super light, so you're gonna have to put some tape or something on that. And then it came with this sheet of grip. Oh, there's actually two in there, so just some random tape, I think. I don't know, but got some little stickers here. Whole bunch of stickers. Wow. But yeah, shout out to Chems and Skate618. It's pretty cool storage box, but yeah, let's check out these trucks we got here. This is probably what most people are the most curious and interested about. I've just got some China trucks on my Tiki Tuning setup, so I'm pretty excited. The axles, I don't know which one it is, but the axles they pop from side to side, so I can't wait to use some good trucks. But pretty cool packaging, by the way. So we got a little skate tool in here. Got one truck and the other, yep. I've been super excited. I've been waiting over a week for this, but finally came. It was backed up a little bit due to the holidays, but yeah, let's go ahead and get right into setting up this complete. Here's some close-ups of the trucks. See how, oh wow, that's incredible. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but they are super loose. My trucks on the teak tuning were super tight, so it's going to be a weird change, but yeah, this setup is just awesome. I love the graphics so much. So we just got the trucks put on. Show you guys a little bit of the bushings. But yeah, let's go ahead, get these wheels put on here. I'm super excited to try this setup out. So we just got the wheels put on here. I'm not sure if I put them on too tight or what, but they don't free spin at all. But wow, that's insane. The turning radius is just crazy. Compared to my old board, it just... You can see how red my fingertip is. Pressing as hard as I can. I don't know how I do it with this. Yeah, it's just unbelievable. But let's get this tape put on here and then shred this thing. Let me tighten these bolts down a little bit too. Yo, what's up? We're back. So my GoPro was starting to overheat, so I had to take a break for a little bit, but yeah, let's go ahead and finish gripping this board. So we're just getting done gripping the board here. Yeah, I don't know. See how this turned out, I guess, but yeah, this is the first video on my YouTube channel. And I just got back into fingerboarding like a week or two ago. Yeah, that's why I ordered this board and wanted to get a little bit of a upgrade from my old setup. So yeah, I don't know how much I'll be uploading on here, but be sure to check me out on TikTok and Instagram. I'll be trying to post on those daily, so yeah, this is such a clean setup. I absolutely love it. Jeez, I'm having a struggle getting this grip on there because it's stuck on the side. But yeah, I'm super stoked. I found one of my old ramps too. Super excited to try that out. Just one me and my dad made when I was younger. I'll show you guys in a second, but yeah, I need to get all that extra stuff on it so it doesn't look so terrible. But yeah, there's a green ply in there. It's pretty cool. Red bottom ply. I don't mind it. I don't know if it's all random or what, but these things sure are expensive, but so excited to try this thing out. Let's get all this nasty grip out of the way. There we go. So just finished setting up the entire complete. Got the grip on there. There's a lot of excess grip on the sides that are just stuck there, but I'll get that another time. But yeah, off first impressions, this is just crazy. The turning radius is nuts. Just compared to my old teak board. It's literally the turning radius on that, but wow, the pop is just crazy. Check out those kicks. I want to see how much a difference it is. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger. I don't know. Probably can't really tell too much, but it's hard to show it. But oh, first kickflip, let's go. This thing just feels crazy, man. I'm definitely gonna have to get used to the turning radius, because yeah, those old trucks are just not it. But oh yeah, these things are so smooth. Yeah, this is gonna take a lot of getting used to, but yeah, I might throw in a little edit in a bit. But yeah, off first impressions, wow, this thing's just crazy. Yeah, I'm just obsessed with that graphic. I can't. Turning radius is just nuts. But yeah, if you have any video ideas, just feel free to leave them in the comments, because it's a little bit easier to post short videos on TikTok and Instagram. But yeah, I'm super excited to get back into fingerboarding. Let's do some. I don't know how well this will look on the camera, but I don't know if it's in frame or not. But oops, let's not do that. This is just crazy, but yeah, overall, this is just an insane setup right here, especially for my first really good pro fingerboard. I don't know, I have no clue what to consider a pro fingerboard, but this one was 40 compared to almost 150 for this setup. But yeah, I absolutely love this thing. The pop is crazy too. This is a symmetrical. It has symmetrical kicks, so yeah, I'm super excited to try that out too. Felt like there was a DK Pro something, yeah, with non-symmetrical kicks, but yeah, this is just absolutely so sick. So yeah, I might throw in a couple little clips for you guys, but yeah, this thing's freaking amazing. Alright, yeah, be sure to check me out on Instagram and TikTok. Yeah, all my socials are soar.fb, so yep. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.